Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. मस्ती के राग से हस्ती को जांच ले, खुशियों की आग से थोड़ी आँच ले.
When we decided that Warid wants to go ahead with music as a pillar, and when they signed Atif, it became an interesting proposition because Atif and Warid was an interesting combination. Since a lot of stuff has been happening with music in Pakistan, how to make it bigger and more relevant to today's youth, it just emerged that we should bring the unsung heroes, which are the musicians, generally speaking, to the forefront and present them in their unique way. Like all good things, it's a team effort. Since Crew Films took on the production, we were very confident that this will turn into something very, very interesting. And then Ambience Films decided to helm this and take on the directorial duties. There's a very good synergy between all the teams.
Focus, piche. Focus. Focus, piche.
एक तो माशाल्लाह क्रू फिल्म्स की क्या बात है, बहुत प्रोफेशनल टीम है, इंतहाई प्रोफेशनल टीम है। और मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई इस बात पे कि आम तौर पे पिछले कुछ सालों में हैवी ब्रांड्स के जो एड्स होते रहे वो बाहर शूट होते रहे, लेकिन खुशी इस बात पे हुई कि इधर पाकिस्तान में किसी बड़े ब्रांड की एड की शूट हुई है। इस एड कैंपेन की कॉन्सेप्ट मेरे ख्याल में बहुत अच्छी है। इट्स अ फ्रेश आइडिया। वारिद के पास एक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है हम सबको इस कैंपेन में इस्तेमाल करना और आगे बढ़ाने का। तो आई होप कि जिन लोगों के पास इस चीज़ की विजन है वो उस विजन को आगे लेके जाएं।
In today's youth, music is one of the most important things, and Warid has decided to build on whatever we are trying to accomplish here, and they would try to take it in a long-term way and keep on presenting and featuring not only singers, which has sort of become a norm, but also the musicians who are really, really excellent in their own fields, and the way their relationship with their music, their instrument, their surrounding, that's something that we want to explore.
मैं काफ़ी अर्से से म्यूज़िक बजा रहा हूँ और मैंने इस तरह की कभी कोई चीज़ नहीं की कि 20 सेकंड का कोई बेस बजाते हुए ऐड शूट हुआ हो।
Well, I would have to admit that I was slightly nervous because this is not something that comes as naturally to me as doing music.
और मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि वारिद ने ये स्टार्ट किया है। इससे मैं समझता हूँ पाकिस्तान की म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री में एक बूम आ सकता है।
All of the people that I worked with seemed very professional. I don't really know much about it, but they seemed to work on it till they got the exact shot that they needed, and they also helped me along the way.
I think it's a really good initiative to bring musicians together like this, and definitely hats off to Warid and the Glow people, whoever thought of this concept. And it's really fun being part of this. Hopefully it's the start of a lot of things to happen in the future.
Ready? Department.
So Habe is directing the video from Ambience Films. It was really helpful because I really did not know. I've never done a TV commercial before, so I had no idea what to do. Working with Crew Films has been a really good professional experience. Everything happened timely, very professionally. The food was good, the attitudes were great, we had a good time, and I'm sure the finished product will look really good as well.
So far the experience is very good, definitely because it's my first time, and I was actually a little nervous in the beginning because I wasn't too sure how these things go about. I think for me the biggest challenge as a musician in a commercial is that I'm actually doing a lot of things that I would not do on a normal basis, because it's a visual thing. It requires a certain energy, a certain expression. उस लिहाज से मुझे थोड़ा सा it becomes a slight problem कि कहीं कुछ expressions ऐसे देने पड़ जाते हैं जो मैं normal तौर पे नहीं देता. So.
Camera. Action.
So far, I've only managed to see one playback. आपको acknowledgement होती है इस बात की कि these things don't come out easy. The good thing is that the one shot that I saw on playback was looking very good. So I think this is turning out to be what I was expecting it to be.
Well, basically what happened was Faisal Rafi had called me into his studio and he asked me to take a look at the song that Atif Aslam had recorded with him. It was very raw, a very raw recording. I don't think it was the final that they were going to use. So he just played a few chords to me, a few, pieces of the track, and he asked me to just, improvise anything. He said, just come up with a tune, that you could sing along to these few chords. Gave me a chord progression and made me sing a few tunes to it.
All set. Audio. Action. Very nice.
It's interesting, it's challenging because I can't really concentrate on my facial expressions and the singing because there's rain in the background which is wetting my legs and wetting the camera in front of me and going crazy, and it's full force water which isn't really it's like intense monsoon season rain.
The entire staff that's here right now is doing a fantastic job. Couldn't ask for more. They're wonderful people to work with, and I get paid on time, which is the best part. Working on a concept like this with cars swirling around you is nerve-wracking. It's not for the weak. You gotta have serious adrenaline going through your body to go through this. Okay. Burning rubber, heavy metal solos, Warid Glow, what else could you ask for?
guitar player, the drummer, the backup vocalist, who basically remain unsung, and they are great in their own fields. What they possess and how they focus on their music and what is their energy, that's what we're going to capture. And that's the basic idea, and how when they all come together, a great thing emerges.